In this video, let me show you how you can separate two iPads or two Apple devices with the same Apple account. So this gets managed inside of the settings, and as you can see in the left panel at the top, you see your profile, so your name, picture, and so on. So you can click there and see which devices use the same account. So you can go below and you can see that there's an iPad, a couple of iPhones, computer, and so on. And these all are connected together. And if you want to separate them, you have to decide which device is separated from the network. For example, I want to disconnect and separate this iPad. So what I'm going to do in here is that I'm going to click on iCloud and essentially turn off the syncing for all of the features I want to disconnect. If I don't want my notes to appear on the other iPad or other device, I'm going to go to Notes and click on Disable, right? And I'm going to turn off the notes, delete the ones from iCloud, and have this iPad fully separated in terms of the notes, right? Or you can also do the same thing for other services like the messages, email, photos, and so on. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, you can also do it on the other iPad. Like you can grab the iPad which you want to disconnect as well and perform the same stuff on the other device. So it kind of depends which one you want to disconnect, but you have to cut the connection somewhere if you don't want the information to be shared across them. So I hope it makes sense. You just kind of have to go through it one by one. As you can see, there are so many apps which this applies to, the notes, messages, health data, contacts, and so on. So I would recommend you to turn it off on one device fully and make sure it is fully disconnected. So let me know what you think below. Subscribe if you managed to find what you needed and what you are searching for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later.